Right, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to your television. This is a very popular thing that everyone does. Anyone who plays on Nintendo Switch would love to connect their Nintendo Switch to television because it gives you a better, bigger screen. You play exactly the same the way you play on your Nintendo Switch, but it's just a bigger screen. So let's go and do it. All right, so what you need, the things you need: your Nintendo Switch, and you need the docking station. I think that's what it's called, the Nintendo Switch dock that came with the actual Nintendo Switch when you purchased it. And that's all you need. And of course, you need the television. So I'm going to show you how you connect it to the television. So all you have to do is to get hold of your dock and connect to power here. I need to plug this, remove this plug, which is for the Virgin Media box. I'll take that off and I'll plug this in. Now, usually this goes to the back of the television, but the way my television is attached, I can't do that. So I've got a solution. I bought this little gadget on Amazon. It's called HDMI female to female converter. So this gadget here will let me connect the HDMI cable that goes to the Virgin Media box, and that comes from the back of the TV. So let me do that now. So here we are. I'm going to connect the cable just like that. I will put a link on the description, so if you want to purchase one yourself, you can do that. So now that's the dock connected and plugged in as well. All you have to do now is to slot the Nintendo Switch in, turn it on, and then you slot it in just like that. It should slide in nicely, and if it does, there's a green light there that indicates it's properly connected. So once it's connected well, you will see a green light, and you can place it just there, and then you can start playing. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the television on and show you how to play it. So use the HDMI. Here we are. Yeah, and son Tristan will play a game for you, so you know exactly how it works, and it shows you it's well connected.
So I am just putting my moons in the Odyssey and Super Mario Odyssey.
Wonderful. Brilliant. Great stuff, Tristan. Well, thank you. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please put it on the comments and I will get back to you. Thanks very much.